Next excuse. Eating healthy is too expensive. Now I can only speak for Australia here, but everything is expensive. Healthy or unhealthy. However, if you actually crunch the numbers and do it smartly, eating healthy isn't more expensive. For example, this cost me 40 cents in a 24 pack and filtered from the tap even less. How much does a bottle of soft drink or beer cost? What about your last takeaway meal? Was it cheaper than making your own healthy meal? What about the last time you ate out? I'm sure you get the drift. Eating unhealthy isn't so cheap. Plus, eating healthy doesn't mean that you have to buy the newest and greatest superfood on the market that is typically overpriced. Just buy and eat vegetables, salads, quality proteins, fats, and carbs which aren't overly pricey. They won't break the bank and will ensure that you are eating amazing, healthy, nutritious meals. Therefore, eating healthy typically isn't more expensive, despite often feeling like it is. And there are a few things that will help you make it a little bit more affordable, such as buying seasonal fruit and vegetables, or even frozen veggies, working off a meal plan, cooking a double batch of dinner and having it the next day or two, taking small snacks with you so you don't overeat, starting a herb or veggie garden, buying in bulk, cooking in bulk and freezing it, eating more plant-based proteins a few nights each week instead of eating more pricey meat, and lastly, cooking at home, which saves a lot of money.